Now on this section I want to discuss the addition and multiplication of fractions. More so discussing the addition of fractions. And we're going to talk about lowest common denominators, also called LCDs. Lowest common denominators. Now, to add two fractions, they must have the same denominator. Here we have a fraction. We would say this is A over B. So we'll call this A over B. That's how we would say that. That's literally how this is spoken, is A over B. So if I had 1/2, we would say 1 over 2, or 1/2. And any fraction is also a division. So as we'll discuss that. A divided by B equals a fraction. Any division, you can put that in the form of what we call a fraction, or what's called a rational number. And we call these fractions. Now for any fraction, the top part is always called the numerator and the bottom is called the denominator. So for any fraction, the term in the top position is called the numerator, and the term in the bottom position is called the denominator. Or we simply say A over B plus C over B equals A plus C over B. Now please write this down. A over B plus C over B equals A plus C over B. So that's similar. So if we put this in numbers, that's similar to saying 1/2 plus plus 4/2 equals 1 plus 4 halves, or 1 plus 4 over 2. And that gives us 5 halves. 5 halves. So anytime you have an addition of two terms, and those terms are fractions, they must have the same denominator in order to be added. Must have the same denominator. And this is the algebraic form that it takes as an equation. You see, because also you could have 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now remember, every number is written as itself divided by 1. So we could have that there. 2 over 1 plus 3 over 1 equals 5 over 1. Or 2 plus 3 over 1. Now let's say if we have some terms with different denominators. X plus y plus x over z. That cannot be added. It's going to equal the same, or another way of saying we can't combine those two by addition. We cannot add them because the denominators are different. We have to change them to like denominators and then add. An example of such would be 2/3